our discussion, let us ask first the guidance of our Almighty Father. Okay, Miss Kif, kindly lead the prayer. Amen. Now class, before you sit down, kindly pick up some pieces of paper and arrange your chairs properly. Okay, are we all set up? Okay, good. Again, good morning class. How are you today? Okay, it's good that you are fine. Before we start our today's discussion, let's have a short review first. Now, who can tell me what is our topic last meeting? Okay, Miss Rhea. Very good. Now, what is verb? Yes, Miss Leslie. Very good. Verb tells an action word. Now, who can give me an examples of a verb? Yes, Abby. Very good. Now, who can give me a sentence that has a verb? Yes, Joshua. Okay, exactly. Now, I guess you already understand what is our topic last meeting, and you are now ready to listen what is our topic for today. Am I right? So in line with our topic, I have a short activity to you. The class will be divided into two. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Lesson first, class. I have here a rumbled words. All you need to do is to form them a sentence. Am I clear? Now, I will just give you only 1 minute to assemble them. Okay, time starts now. Now class, how did you find the activity? Okay, now what have you observed in the sentence that you have assembled? Yes, Jane. Very good. What else? Exactly. Now, what do you think those highlighted words for? Yes, again, Joshua. That's right. Those words are used for describing. So now, class, did you know that there are words that is used to describe something or someone? Okay, if that is the case, lend me your ears, give me your undivided attention as we are going to discuss about everybody read. Class, listen carefully because at the end of the lesson, you are going to everybody read. Now class, I have here sentences. I want 5 volunteers to come here in front to identify what are the be verbs in the sentences. Okay. Okay, well done. Your answers are all correct. And I guess you have now gathered some ideas what is our topic all about, right? Now, who can tell me what is be verbs? Yes, Cyrene. Very good. Let's go back to your work earlier. Okay, for number 1, everybody read. What is the be verbs there? Okay, is. Now, what do you think it belongs to? Whether it's in the present form or the past form? Oh yes, it is in the present form. Let's proceed to the number 2. Everybody read. Okay. What is the be verb there? good. Was. Then was belongs to? In what form? Yes. Exactly. Was belongs to in the past form. Let's proceed to the number 3. Everybody read. Okay. What is the be verb there? Yes. Oh. Are you sure? Anyone? Now, have you noticed any difference in the sentence? Yes, Miss Glean. Very good. There is a word not. Not belongs to in a negative form in the be verbs. To know more about be verbs, I have here the definition and the be variations. Everybody read. Be verbs are are, is, was, were, been, and being. Be verbs indicate a state of being. It is a verb used to describe something or someone. The most common use of the be verb is to talk about names, age, nationalities, especially when talking about present tense. The most tricky thing about this verb, however, is that it is also one of the most irregular verbs in the English language. This means that unlike regular verbs, which barely change when used when different subjects or even in different tenses, and when they do, they follow a pattern. The to be verb changes completely the most of its forms. Since be verbs are highly irregular, it is written in different ways according to the tenses of the verb, whether it is present, past, future, or even in the next tenses. And it is also varies according to the subject. Here are the be variations with the example sentences. In the present form, everybody read. And for the past form of be verbs, everybody read. Here are some examples in be and questions. Everybody read. The verb comes first in interrogative sentences. Here are some examples of verb plus negative sentences. Everybody read. All in all, here are the examples. Now, do you understand our topic for today, class? Okay, very good. Now, I have here a question. Is be verbs important? Now, class, who can tell me how important be verbs are? Yes, Jurhan. Do you agree with these answers? Well, you have all correct answers. Be verbs are very important, especially in constructing a sentence, because it makes the sentence more meaningful. It helps also to make the sentence easily to understand. Now, if we compare it to our lives, what is the role of be verbs? Yes. Yes, very good. Be verbs are like our family. With them, our life is more meaningful to live in, right? Now, class, I will show you another examples. of sentences. You have to state what are the be verbs there and its form. Am I clear? Okay, start. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. And number 5. Okay, to test if you really understand our lesson for today, let's have an activity. With the same group earlier, I want you to construct 10 sentences in each form of be verbs. And after that, you will present here in front. Am I clear? And for your activity number 2, I want you to get a paper and answer this. Read the direction. And for your assessment for today, I want you to get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this. Everybody read the directions. Is it clear? And lastly, for your assignment, everybody read. Class, we have just ended our topic for today. I hope you learned something in our discussion. Thank you. Have a good day.